Hi, I'm Dr. Tressler, and anytime I see a free dinner in the community, I'm like, what's the catch? When we do our dinners, I'm sure many people think the same thing. There is no catch. The information I want to share with you has changed my life, and you'll get to hear my whole story behind when I grew up chronically sick, ended up having horrible pain, and then my dad dies at age 50 of heart disease, lost my dad, never got to see me graduate not only college, but chiropractic school and become a doctor. My dad never graduated high school. When I understood the truths behind chronic pain and health conditions, I vowed then I will always tell the story as much as I can. And we have an opportunity with our building now that we can share a dinner with you, explain the points behind health and healing and chronic pain and how to eliminate them, what the true factors are that are causing pain, and why doing this traditional approach with medicine and even herbs and vitamin and exercise and stretching may not work. When I discovered that, it transformed my life. Not only did my pain go away, but my health went through the roof. And at age 59, I have incredible health. I take no medicine. I have a full-time farm. I run the chiropractic business, and I still play rugby. So I'm beating myself up without pain, full healing. I feel amazing. And I thank God that He showed me this truth, and I want to give that to you. It's a free dinner. You come in, you get to hear the story, and if we can help you, we have an incredible offer. If not, you get to hear something that I'd love to share. So all you have to do is click on the link below, and we will reach out to you, make sure that this is the right place for you, right dinner. We'll get you scheduled, and we'll see you then.